What's good, YouTube? Ghost Gang. I wanted to do a real quick video um of a new mod that I got from American Brother Designs. I won't spend too much long on this, but what I got from them, check it out right here, is some yellow jacket knob rings right here. Nice and clean, and these are official Mopar product. And I think I paid probably $80, for a set of 3. And these look really good. And bam. So, and I said this would be an install. So I'll go ahead and get these on. And all you have to do is just press in on them just a little bit, and they go right there. Got another one. You just press down on it. You give it a little twist, and they come off too. So, bam. Last one, and put that right on in there. Give it a twist. So, just for a little context, I went with the yellow jacket because, as you can see, the trim here, which I'll get into later about where I got that from and a couple other things that I did. I wanted to go with the red and yellow theme because of the Scat Pack B. Because I was real indecisive, but I think the red and yellow together gives it a good pop. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments section below. And with the American Brother, I have probably $1,000 worth of basically engine bay dress up and a couple of more things on the inside that I want to do. And as we progress with this channel, we'll get into that. And also, I wanted to say that I switched over to my GoPro Hero 8. I also got the media mod on there, but I brought a microphone too. But I'm not using that at the moment because I had some technical difficulties. And speaking of the technical difficulties, I originally recorded my install for the MFR1 mid muffler delete and for the ported throttle body, but as a rookie YouTuber, I did not make sure that the camera was still going, and I didn't even notice it until I had already completed the MFR and I just took all the screws out of the throttle body and noticed that the camera was not going. So let me know what you think. I hope I don't have to edit this video, but I probably should add some transitions. Also, yeah, I will be working on an intro and probably an outro or one or the other, just to get my YouTube weight up, so I have a better presentation for you guys. But that's it. I will be getting back to some of the other videos that I promised you with the intake rings, and I got something else here too that I got installed. But I'll check you guys out in the next one. Peace.